know Mike Zimmer's got those double A gap blitzes ready to go, boss.
So, 130.
Oh, here we go again.
133 hours of tape study getting ready for week 1. A lot of preseason stuff, but we dabbled in last year because you hit the nail on the head. All that shuffling, the thing that rings a bell, when you have 3 new offensive linemen, and now you're going to make 5 guys play as one, is how you have to play. The Minnesota Vikings are going to challenge that, and they are one of the best in all of football.
I got the DST, baby.
Change your protections
three
and
of my
have a
legs.
bunch of guys work in unison. We call it the double A gap plus. Our producer did
Double
that.
A gap
I have no idea why, but
plus.
we're gonna have Lisa roll blue, and we're gonna
Roll it, baby.
the pressure concept and how it challenges the offense, the backs, quarterbacks, and offensive line. Now, this is a beautiful job by the Minnesota Vikings. They set it up. They show you the pressure. Aha, Aaron Rodgers, a wily old veteran, goes, well, let me make them show their hand. Let me call out a signal. Let me see snap the ball. Let's see who's coming to help my offensive line and my backs identify. Well, Gerald Hodges, what does he do as Aaron Rodgers starts to bark? Oh, he's bailing. Packers are like, got him. We go to the end zone angle, and you can see the beauty of this. The center,
That is beautiful.
He sees Hodges lead. He's like, well, we don't have to worry about him.
React.
Take care of the guy inside. And then your back, well, he'll scan to the outside. We don't have to
Watch
worry
this.
about
React.
Hodges. He
Backwards.
already showed his hand. Well, this is what I love about Minnesota. Defenders make adjustments, too. They do audibles. They're smart players as well.
Really?
Well, they kind of.
There we go, baby.
The center's like, oh, no. Now the back has to adjust. You got
Minnesota.
2 guys now get caught up with the inside pressure, and the outside guy is free to Aaron Rodgers. They are great.
Love me some matchup
Guys,
show, baby.
They are outstanding at
All right,
execution,
good night.
and this is going to be a big problem for the San Francisco 49ers and this new group of offensive linemen.